Hey, what's up guys? Sean here. So I was really excited today and really disappointed at the same time. So give you a little backstory. I have been holding on to this video for the last couple weeks. Just seemed like everything I tried to do wasn't going to work out, from shipping problems to weather, and you know, the river's flooded, and I really wanted to do this video by the river. But then things started to turn around. The river started receding, the weather was getting nice, it looked like everything was gonna go good. Then I wake up this morning and it's raining again. And it's gonna rain for like the next 3 days, so it looked like maybe I wouldn't get this video done, but you know what? That's not the spirit of this channel. We are about having adventures and going on adventures, and what could be more epic of an adventure than to do a hike-in camp, drink some coffee, and ride out a thunderstorm. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get it. Well, obviously this location isn't going to work. I can't even get down the road because of the flooding. So I've got another location I might want to go try, and we got the time. Let's go see if we can make this work. Okay, so it's definitely not raining as much as it was here. It's still raining a little bit, but not too bad. I think we've got time to hike in and get set up and get into this video, so let's get going.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
I'm gonna tell you what, it's starting to feel like this little video don't want to be made. I got up here on this boardwalk and there's boards missing, and it's pretty sketchy. So fingers crossed this thing, we can get this video done uneventfully, because it's starting to look like things are still stacking up against me.
This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
I'll be the first to tell you, some adventures are more adventurous than other adventures. This is one of those times. This will work.
well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day.
Well, wouldn't you know it, as soon as we finally get our camp set up and everything the way we want it, the sun comes out and it quits raining. But that's okay. We're gonna sit here, we're gonna enjoy this camp. I've got a couple things that I want to show you. But before we get into that, I want to give you a little backstory. So you guys know that I love coffee. This channel, we do a lot with coffee here. And so, you know, along those lines, when I get on Instagram and things like that, a lot of times I'll look up coffee companies and I'll see these coffee companies that come through my feed. And about a month ago, I ran across Grizzly Coffee Company. And after looking at their Instagram posts and their Instagram feeds and all their pictures and stuff, I was like, man, this company really aligns well with our channel. And so what I did was I contacted Grizzly Coffee and I was like, you know, would you guys be willing to send us some coffee to try and, you know, do a video and sponsor a video for us? And so they contacted me back and they were, you know, hesitant, which I understand because we're a small channel. And but after watching some videos, they decided yes, they'd like to send us some coffee. And so this video today is sponsored by Grizzly Coffee Company. I want to say a huge thank you to those guys for giving us a chance to make this video, and I appreciate them so much for sending us the coffee. All right, let's check out what they sent us. Okay, so we got 3 bags of coffee here. We have Trailhead. I've got Rendezvous. And I've got some Hibernate coffee. Now that's cool. That's something that you don't see on most of your coffees from the store. Now, Grizzly Coffee is a very small company. It's not some huge corporate company. I think they're out of New Mexico. They're a company that's run by people like you and I. But the nice thing about this now is this coffee says right here on it that it was roasted and packaged on March 23rd, 2021. Now, other than going somewhere and having your coffee like roasted and ground right there, that's about as fresh as you can get. Okay, so I am sort of a light roast, kind of a breakfast blend coffee guy. That's just what I like. And that's what the Trailhead coffee is. It says that it's more of a morning blend. So that's the coffee I'm going to give a shot today. But in looking into it, the Hibernate is kind of a medium roast. And then the Rendezvous is their dark roast. So I'm going to try the Trailhead coffee today. And also, they were nice enough to send me another little gift here. Oh, sweet. So they sent me a Grizzly coffee mug. How about that? That's awesome. I can never have enough coffee mugs. You guys know that. I think now's the time for us to get into making some coffee. But before I do that, I want to tell you this. Grizzly Coffee was nice enough to give my subscribers a code for 15% off of your purchase. And I'll leave that code in the description. The code is code REWYLD. So it's code REWYLD. So I'm thinking since everything's wet out here, I'll just use this little box that they sent me, the coffee mug in, to set our little gas stove up to make this coffee on. Alright, let's see what this stuff smells like. Oh man, that's some good smelling coffee, guys. Wow. I think the water's boiling now. Let's get some in a cup. Coffee. Okay, so I'm not going to BS you here. That is a really, really good cup of coffee. It's just bitter enough to give you that black coffee taste, you know, that you're expecting. But it's smooth, man. It's really smooth. You can tell that it's basically fresh ground, fresh roasted coffee. The only thing I've ever had that's similar to this is the coffee that we actually roasted and ground right on the edge of the river. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. I want you to go over to grizzlycoffeeco.com and check out all of their products. If you see something you like, I want you to buy it from them. They're a smaller company. They're not a huge corporate company. It's $19 for a bag of coffee, but I'm telling you, this is a delicious cup of coffee. And if you'll use the code REWYLD, R-E-W-Y-L-D, they'll give you 15% off of your order. Now, along with that, I want you to go follow their Instagram. If you don't follow their Instagram already, holy crap, go check it out. It's unbelievable. They have some of the most beautiful pictures, and it all has to do with coffee. So if you love coffee as much as I do, go check them out on Instagram. Also, they have a really cool Facebook page where you can go check out what they've got going on, and go follow their Facebook page also. Okay, so here's the deal. I told you guys that I really like kind of a light roast coffee. That means there's a medium roast and a dark roast up for grabs. So what I'm going to ask you to do is, in the comments of this video, I want you to leave medium or dark as a comment. I'm going to go through those names of people who commented medium or dark, and then on April 8th, that's the Thursday night, I'm going to do a live stream on April 8th, and then I will announce the winner of the coffee on that live stream. And you're going to have to be there in the live stream to tell me that you want the coffee, and then you'll contact me through my Facebook, Rewild Outdoors on Facebook. Message me on there, and I will get your address and everything and send you the coffee. So there's a few hoops for you to jump through to get this coffee. So you need to comment medium or dark on the comments of this video, and then April 8th, be there for the live stream, and I will announce the winner, and then I'll contact, or you contact me through Facebook, and I'll get your address and I'll send you some coffee out. So for me right now, I'm fixing to drink this coffee and kick back in this hammock and relax and finally enjoy our hike-in day camp. This it's been a heck of a day getting this thing set up and getting in here, but it's been worth the trip. Man, for it to be so nasty and rainy this morning, it has turned out to be a beautiful afternoon. Alright guys, so we got it all packed up, camp's all packed up, and we're ready to get out of here. Once again, I want to thank Grizzly Coffee Company for sending us the coffee to try out today and sponsoring this video. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for me. Give us a big thumbs up. I appreciate you guys watching this video. See you next time.